Right.
Because it's got slack.
That's what we're going to try and do, is we're going to try and, with the crankshaft pulley, we're going to have one tooth to the left of the timing mark.
You can get your spanner on there again now. And just bring that one tooth.
Which way?
Towards you. Just a bit to take the...
Alright.
Right. Now I'm on.
You're on?
Yeah, wait on. That's as I can't make it any, don't think I'll make it any tighter. That's, yeah, yes. Can you put your hand on that one?
Yeah, hold on, I'll try in here.
To keep
it's on, it's on.
Keep that
Oh
tooth.
no, what have I hit? I was trying to video this while I'm doing that. Not enough arms. Not enough arms and hands. Alright, still going. Yep. Yep. Not really getting a good video here, but... This might not be the best video because I've got my hands in. But anyway, my dad's got this on quite quickly. Oh,
there we go. All right. Now we'll try.
Mozzie, damn it. All right, it's lined up on top. Mark's good on the injector pump. Camshaft looks good.
Tooth out.
Tooth out again. Which way? How bad?
Wait on. Let's do the trick of try and take up the slack now.
It's getting dark.
Take up the slack, and we might be right.
I reckon that is. I don't know whether that's right.
I've turned past.
Turned past. I'm just checking whether it's a tooth out or not. Like it's. I'm going to pause this, so you need to on the mark.
Well,
yeah,
let the belt slack.
I think that's the belt is slack. But the marks look good. Trying to show you down here. Actually, a bit hard to get into the view of it correctly. It's a very loose belt at the moment, but I don't know whether you can see that very easily. It's not.
Okay, let's take the slack up on the tensioner.
Yeah. I'm just going to hold that.
This one.
Not the best video, this one. Oh well.
There, it jumped.
What jumped?
It jumped in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And that's now my pivot knob.
Want to get a better view of this.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It's definitely not too tight, but that's tighter, isn't it?
How's the crankshaft?
Yeah, I think that crankshaft looks, yeah, it kind of looks like it's...
And balance belt?
Might be just our view of it, but it kind of looks like it's... Wouldn't say it's out of tooth at all.
I think that's right.
I think that's good. Balance belt's right.
Yeah.
I actually think that is... I think that's good. I think that's as good as you could get that. So I'd be confident starting this engine. So what we'll do is we'll manually hand rotate once you're happy with that tensioner. And I'll pause that. Pause this video, but what we're going to do, we'll just get this tensioner set for certain...
I just slapped it off again to let it
let it
have another think.
let it. Yeah. So what you're supposed to do is turn the engine about two notches, and it should spring that tensioner out. But anyway, let's rotate the engine over twice, eh? So this is the full test. You've got to rotate the crankshaft twice by hand. So if we can do that, it means the valves aren't hitting up in the top and the head, because it's an interference engine. If your timing's out, the valves will hit the piston head, and you'll probably hold your piston or smash and break the rocker cover, causing lots of damage.
Well, that's twice at the crankshaft.
Yep.
And once at the camshaft.
Right, so that looks like